In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Ubisoft Connect. Setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short, is an excellent way to boost the security of your account. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the steps involved in activating this feature and ensuring that your gaming adventures remain as secure as possible. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Ubisoft Connect account on your computer or mobile device. Head over to the official Ubisoft Connect website, and if you're not already logged in, enter your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Ubisoft Connect homepage. Look towards the top of the page and locate your account username or avatar. Give it a click or a tap. This action will open a drop-down menu presenting several options for you to choose from. Here, you'll want to find and select the Account Management option. This will navigate you to a new page dedicated to managing your account settings. A key focus here is the Security section, usually accessible via a tab or panel on the left side of the screen. Click on it to be directed to all things security-related for your account. At this point, it's time to delve into the two-factor authentication settings. Within the Security section, you should spot a feature specifically labeled as two-factor authentication or something similar. Click or tap on it to open the setup prompt. This is where you start the process of adding an extra layer of protection to your account. The next step involves downloading an Authenticator app to your smartphone. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy, both of which are available for free from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app, as you'll need it to complete the process. If you have a QR code scanner, this will come in handy, but don't worry if you don't. There usually is an alternative method. Going back to your Ubisoft Connect account, you should see a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app and use it to scan the QR code provided. If scanning is not an option, there should be a manual setup key visible just below the code. Enter this key into your Authenticator app to manually add your account. Now that your account is successfully added to the Authenticator app, it will start generating time-based security codes. Enter one of the codes generated by the app into the field on your Ubisoft Connect security settings page. It's crucial to act quickly here because the codes refresh every 30 seconds or so. Hit the Verify button once you've input the code. Congratulations! Two-factor authentication should now be enabled on your Ubisoft Connect account. In the future, every time you log in, Ubisoft Connect will prompt you for a security code from your Authenticator app, adding an additional layer of security to protect your valuable account. Remember, safeguarding your account with 2FA is essential for maintaining your digital security. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!